Let's make the connection. Take the ultrasonic sound sensor, connect the pins. Connect the VCC of the ultrasonic sound sensor to the positive terminal of the Arduino. Connect the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the digital pin 10 of the Arduino. And echo pin to digital pin 11 of the Arduino. And ground, connect this ground simply to the ground of the Arduino. Now take the servo motor and connect its signal wire, that is this white wire, to the digital pin 12 of the Arduino board, and its ground, that is this red wire, to the ground of the Arduino, and its positive terminal to the positive terminal of the Arduino. Now we have made all the connections and we are ready to program the Arduino board, but before that we have to properly arrange the radar on this Arduino board. Let's begin. Take the glue, super glue, apply some on this area and fix the ultrasonic sensor on this servo motor like this. Now take a adapter, small adapter, apply some super glue on its base and made a proper connection here in the middle of the servo motor. Apply some glue in this area. Now perfect. Now we have to fix this adapter into this part of the Arduino Uno. Let's try. You can see clear, perfect connections. And finally we are ready to program the Arduino Uno. Program the Arduino IDE Arduino board. We have to open the Arduino IDE. You can download the Arduino software from the link I have given in the description box. Now you have to write the code here. I have already written this, so that I am going to paste this code in the Arduino IDE. Copy just simply and paste. I have given the code in the description. From there you can simply copy and paste this Arduino IDE, and let's verify whether it is correct or not. Save this code as code or radar, RADAR, radar 1. Compiling sketch. And fine, done compiling, no error, correct. And this code is ready to be uploaded in the Arduino board. For the radar interface on the screen, we have to do some coding on the processing app. I have downloaded the processing app and be giving the link in the description. You can download the app from there. Simply open the processing app. Now you have to do coding in this interface. I have already written the code, so I'm going to simply paste this code in the processing app. I have given the code in the description. You can download it simply from there. Just paste this app in the processing app. You have to be a little careful here. Yes, there. Whenever you open your Arduino IDE, just simply check, go to tools, check port. I have not connected the Arduino board, so there is nothing. Even whatever the port you see there, just simply write there. Mine is 28. If you're 6, simply write 6 or 8. Such my 28. I am writing here 28. And you have to do no change in this code. Simply run this. Now take this Arduino board, connect this cable to it, and connect this in the PC, and upload this code. And there we go. This is working properly. Now you have to open the radar. For that, just simply go to the processing app and run this code. As you can see, this is working. You can see this is working. You can do fun projects if you know a little bit of coding. I will show you how. Cancel this interface. Do some change in this coding. Run this code. You will see amazing. You can make fun projects with this ultrasonic sensor and this Arduino board. you can do more things. I'll see you how. Upload this code. This is uploaded. You can see a little bit of coding will help you a lot.